Hey everybody, welcome to monkeyfabgarage.com, monkeyfabgarage.com. That's monkeyfabgarage.com. This is Mike. New product release. So how we get new products? Well, we run into problems and we solve them. So here's my problem was I had this awesome 7875 turbo from VS Racing that's good for like 900 horsepower, but it also required that you use a 4-inch downpipe. Now, I wanted my exhaust to go all the way out the back of the car. I know, I'm crazy. I'm that guy. But I also got like air conditioning. You guys see that? I mean, it's supposed to be. This is a luxury automobile, people. So I wanted to go with 3.5. They didn't have it, so I had to stretch tubing, and it looked awful, and I wasn't super happy with it. So I made this. You say, what is that, Mike? Well, is that a self-indexing with a register flange where the actual part where you do the welding is very far away from the sealing surface? Yes, that's exactly what it is. But Mike, won't 3.5 choke the bejesus out of my turbo? I don't know. I mean, it'll be your call. I imagine that 4 inches would do better because that's just typically how it works. But we have 4 inches too. Look at that. Some people say a 1/2 inch makes all the difference in the world. I don't know. They're for sale. You can get it with or without the quick disconnect. So, and they're already made with the nice little register. So the pipe, our little 4-inch pipe, will just drop right in that boy. Or you can use a 3.5 self-aligning, so you don't have to worry about where your flange is sitting. And bam, it just drops right in there for welding. And again, not right on top of the sealing surface, which is amazing. Hector's my designer. I love him. He is badass. So Hector, thank you for making another great product for us. And yeah, y'all be sure to check it out. I'll drop the link in the description below. Also, we're giving away this turbo. So you guys don't know it. From now until the end of this year, 2021, the apocalypse, we're giving away a turbo at the end of the month. To enter to win, all you have to do is spend $200 or more on Monkey Fab Garage on a purchase. I don't have the ability to go back and kind of dig through what you guys individually bought, but if you're one purchase, which, hey, you buy one of these flanges, a flange for this turbo. Actually, if you buy the turbo, you can get a free hot side flange for it, which is another video. But anyway, these guys are up, they're for sale. We got plenty, they're on the shelf, ready to ship same day or next day, depending on what you get your order in, like always. And I appreciate you guys dropping by, checking out the videos, checking out the products, supporting us and what we're doing. And until next time, this is Mike with Monkey Fab. Good luck on that turbo, guys. It's a nice turbo.